Greetings, curious minds. You've landed on Brainetainment, your one-stop channel for all things intriguing and scientific. Here we delve deep into a myriad of topics, making learning not just accessible but thoroughly enjoyable. From quantum physics to the mysteries of the human mind, we've got it all covered, and with a pinch of entertainment to keep things lively. Today we dive into the realm of dreams and rest to answer a question you might not have realized you had. Why is sleep so important? Have you ever wondered why we spend almost a third of our lives sleeping? It's a question that's puzzled humans for centuries, from philosophers to scientists, all in search of the elusive answer. Let's delve into the world of sleep and unravel its mysteries. Sleep, as it turns out, is not just a passive state of rest, but rather a dynamic and critical process that's essential for our overall well-being. It's divided into two main phases: rapid eye movement or REM sleep and non-rapid eye movement or NREM sleep. Each phase plays a different but equally crucial role. During NREM sleep, our bodies are hard at work repairing muscles, tissues, stimulating growth and development, boosting immune function, and building up energy for the day ahead. It's like the body's own personal repair shop, fine-tuning and optimizing various functions while we snooze away. On the flip side, we have REM sleep, often associated with vivid dreams. This phase is all about the brain. It's during REM sleep that we process and consolidate our memories, linking together experiences and information from the day, like a librarian meticulously organizing books on a shelf. Scientific studies have shown that sleep plays a significant role in learning and creativity. It's during these precious hours of slumber that our brains make sense of new information, forge new pathways, and generate creative solutions to problems. It's as if while we're asleep, our brains are attending a nocturnal school, absorbing lessons and ideas. Sleep is also a vital regulator of our overall health. A good night's sleep can help manage stress levels, maintain a healthy weight, and even ward off illnesses. It's like a natural health booster, keeping us fit and well. So, as you can see, sleep is not just a break for your body, it's a critical process for your well-being. It's a time when your body and brain are conducting essential maintenance and repair, processing information and preparing you for the challenges of a new day. So, the next time you're tempted to skimp on sleep, remember the amazing science behind it and give your body the rest it deserves. But what happens when you skimp on sleep? This is a question that many of us have probably asked ourselves at some point. The answer, as it turns out, is quite a lot. First and foremost, sleep deprivation can lead to immediate effects such as mood changes. You might find yourself feeling irritable, anxious, or even depressed after a night of insufficient sleep. It's also common to experience a lack of motivation and enthusiasm for the things you usually enjoy. Moreover, your cognitive function can also take a hit. This means that tasks requiring attention, memory, and decision-making become significantly more challenging. Do you remember the last time you pulled an all-nighter and then tried to focus on work or studies the next day? You probably felt like you were wading through a fog of confusion, struggling to remember things and make sound decisions. That's your brain on sleep deprivation. But the effects of not getting enough sleep extend far beyond the immediate. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation can lead to more serious health issues. For instance, it increases the risk of heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Lack of sleep can also contribute to the development of diabetes by affecting how your body processes glucose, the sugar that cells use for energy. Furthermore, sleep deprivation has been linked to obesity. This is because it can disrupt the balance of hormones that regulate hunger and satiety, leading you to eat more than you need. And let's not forget the impact on your immune system. Without sufficient sleep, your body struggles to fend off infections, making you more susceptible to illnesses. In the realm of mental health, long-term sleep deprivation can contribute to the onset of conditions such as depression and anxiety disorders. Clearly, lack of sleep is not something to take lightly. It affects not just how you feel on a day-to-day basis, but also your overall health and well-being in the long run. So, the next time you're tempted to burn the midnight oil, remember the true cost of skimping on sleep. Ever pulled an all-nighter thinking you're getting more done? Well, it's time to debunk that myth. You see, there's this common misconception that if we sleep less, we can squeeze in more hours of work and therefore be more productive. But let's take a moment to consider the science behind this. Our brain is a complex organ that needs time to recharge. When we sleep, our brain goes through several stages, each playing a critical role in preparing us for the next day. During sleep, our brain consolidates memories, processes information, and restores energy. So when we skimp on sleep, we're actually depriving our brain of the crucial time it needs to perform these functions. Various studies have shown that sleep deprivation can lead to reduced cognitive function, slower reaction times, and decreased attention span. In fact, a study by the Division of Sleep Medicine at Harvard Medical School found that sleep deprivation negatively impacts mood, ability to focus, and access to higher-level brain functions. It's like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of rocks. You're just making things harder for yourself. On the flip side, getting adequate sleep can significantly boost productivity. A study by the Journal of Sleep Research showed that even a short nap can lead to improvements in alertness, mood, and cognitive performance. So, instead of just trying to push through, sometimes the best thing you can do for your productivity is to take a break and get some rest. Moreover, sleep enhances our problem-solving skills and creativity. Have you ever had a problem that you couldn't solve, decided to sleep on it, and then woke up with the solution? That's your brain processing information and making connections while you sleep. So let's not underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It's not just about feeling refreshed, it's about giving your brain the time it needs to recharge and prepare for the day ahead. So, the next time you're tempted to trade sleep for work, remember that good sleep may be the best productivity hack there is. Now that we know why sleep is important, how can we get better at it? One of the best ways to improve sleep is maintaining a regular sleep schedule. This means going to bed and getting up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Our bodies have an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm, which relies on consistency. When we stick to a schedule, we help reinforce this rhythm, making it easier for us to fall asleep and wake up. Next up, consider your sleep environment. It should be a haven of restfulness. This means keeping the room cool, dark, and quiet. A cool room encourages your body's natural inclination to cool down as it prepares for sleep, while darkness and quiet help cue your brain that it's time to wind down. If noise or light is an issue, consider using earplugs, an eye mask, or a white noise machine. Your bed should also be comfortable and supportive. If your mattress or pillows are lumpy, saggy, or more than 7 years old, it may be time for an upgrade. And speaking of the bed, try to reserve it for sleep and intimacy only. This helps your brain associate the bed with sleep. Another essential factor in sleep quality is stress management. High stress levels can lead to insomnia or poor sleep quality. So it's crucial to find ways to unwind and de-stress before bed. This could be through relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation, or through enjoyable activities like reading or listening to calming music. Lastly, pay attention to what you eat and drink. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These can disrupt your sleep cycle and prevent you from getting the deep, restful sleep you need. Incorporating physical activity into your daily routine can also promote better sleep. However, try not to exercise too close to bedtime as it might interfere with your sleep. With these tips, we hope you'll be well on your way to more restful nights. As we wrap up, let's remember why we should all prioritize a good night's sleep. Our journey today has taken us through the fascinating science of sleep, its profound effects on our health, productivity, and ultimately our quality of life. We've uncovered how lack of sleep can negatively impact our daily lives, from mood swings and impaired cognitive function to a weakened immune system. It's clear that the price of neglecting sleep is far too high. We've also delved into the beneficial link between sleep and productivity. It's not about burning the midnight oil, but instead allowing our minds to rest and rejuvenate. A well-rested mind is a productive one, enabling us to achieve our goals more efficiently and effectively. We've shared some practical tips to help you improve your sleep quality and duration, from creating a sleep-friendly environment to establishing a consistent sleep schedule. These steps could be the key to unlocking your best self. So let's make a commitment, not just to ourselves, but to our overall well-being, to prioritize sleep. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. And remember, every great day starts the night before with a good night's sleep. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of sleep. If you found this video enlightening, do subscribe to Brainy-tainment for more compelling content. Until next time, sleep well and stay curious.